front door.
Are you trying your phone?
Yes.
Okay, well, you heard that, and then in here it's very delayed, and it goes, gah!
Oh, that's
fucked up.
because the wires
You fucked it up.
the wires are messed up in there. Oh, look at that. Look.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
No, you don't like that?
That's just weird. It's not inviting.